obviously here because you want to learn how to make money online fast. You've never heard this. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make 1,000 daily on your mobile phone or your smartphone. So if you're viewing me from Nigeria or you're Nigerian, this video is specifically for you. This is how to make passive income online, a sure way to make money from home. I'm Funke Odode. If you're seeing me for the first time, you get a chance to be picked randomly for a weekly shout out like this one if you subscribe right now. Our weekly shout out goes to Joshua Oyabo. Welcome to the family. We're happy to have you, bro. May you have more money in your account. We are so happy to have you. Everyone is cheering to your name right now. And YouTube also notifies you on our tutorial videos as soon as it comes out so that you will not miss a thing. Without much ado, please smash that like button and let's go straight to the tutorial of the day. If you click the first link in the description below, there's a first link there. You would see CTA and then the description. You are going to get 500 Naira bonus on this platform I'm going to talk about. It's a website. So for you to enter 500 Naira, click my link and you get a bonus of 500 Naira. This will help you to add up to whatever money you intend to make, because you can make more than 1,000 Naira if you are really determined. So I suggest you click that first link right now to increase your margin of productivity for the day. Go straight to nairaworkers.com. You see your dashboard. I'm registered already, so you are going to register with your email address and your username and password. You have two options. Hire many random workers. That is for those who want to give out tasks to people. Tasks like liking your Facebook, following you on Facebook, following you on Instagram, subscribing to your YouTube, and other tasks like that. And you have even tasks for performing simple small tasks. That one would be the one we are talking about, the one for you making 1,000 Naira daily. Now you click on that because that is how you want to make your money. There are small jobs posted here. There are jobs that are most recent and there are jobs that are high paying jobs. For instance, you can see this one is 39 Naira, 80 Naira, 28 Naira 80 kobo, 78 Naira, 20 Naira, 82 Naira, 85 Naira 80 kobo, 45 Naira 40 kobo, 40 Naira, 78 Naira, 45 Naira 40 kobo, 28 Naira 80 kobo, 14 Naira 40 kobo, 150 Naira, 28 Naira 80 kobo, 28 Naira 80 kobo, 155 Naira. We are going to use an example soon so that we'll see how it goes. Let's try this OPay, this 29 Naira job. This is how it goes. You click what is expected from workers. If you want to do this job, click on the link below and use your phone number to register and get free 1,000 Naira upon registration. You must be a new user. So if you're an existing user, it will not work for you. As a new user, you can click this. What's the required proof that you have finished this task? Upload a screenshot of whatever it is that you are told to do. A screenshot of your dashboard with your name. Okay, so you come back here to upload it, and in a short period of time they are going to pay you your money, as long as they see that the proof is the right proof. Okay, if you do little jobs like this, by the time you add up the money, you will have 1,000 Naira or more just from your home. I mean, on your smartphone or your mobile phone. Let's try another job. Let's see this one. Let's follow on Instagram. This job is for a token. You know how easy it is now just to click on Instagram. What is expected of you? Click the link, follow the link, and the required proof is you submit your username, that is your Instagram handle, to show that you actually follow the person. Then they will credit your account as long as you have the proof right here. So it is not something difficult. If you decide to follow 1,000 people a day times 70, if you decide to follow 2,000 people a day times 7 Naira, you know that kind of thing. Now you just calculate it and make up your mind on what you want to do. Just click it. You will not have to beg anybody for money again when you get to this stage. There are people that need 1,000, 2,000 naira and they come to you for help. You can share this page with them now. Just tell them what's up. Now you can go to your dashboard, click on that right 3 button and look at your account. For instance, you yourself can even give out jobs to people. If you intend to give out tasks to people, this is where you come. And you hire people to do the job for you. They will tell you how much it requires for them to do the job for you. Okay, this is the jobs I've done. I've subscribed to people's channel and I've done gram free. Okay, and I've earned money for that. So let's see my wallet. You have a wallet, and if you want to tell people to do tasks for you, you pay. You are the one that will be doing the payment into your wallet. But if you've done the task, they will pay you. Okay, now you can withdraw the earnings that you make from your wallet straight into your bank account. Remember that when you click that first link in the description, it brings you straight here, and they are going to give you 500 naira bonus. So don't waste it. Please click on that link to get your first 500 naira bonus, so that whatever you even add to it will just, it will help you get to the 1,000 naira faster. Now you can transfer your earnings or part of your earnings to also give tasks to other people. That's after you've earned money. So it is something that is very, very practical. I'm not just making this tutorial for you to just watch a tutorial. It is something that I have done. So I usually do these things so that by the time I put you through a tutorial, I'll be sure that I'm not doing something wrong. Okay, if you want to give people tasks, look at the different tasks that are available right now. Sign up task, like you want them to sign up on your page. Instagram tags, if you want them to follow you, if you want them to like your comments, you want them to follow and like, share your page, like that. You just want to generally grow your channel. YouTube task, you can even come here and use it as your daily income. Work from your home, work online and make money. This is how to earn money online. Easy and simple way. You can tell people to follow people on Facebook. Just tell people that you can help them increase their Instagram followers or their Facebook followers. Then tell them the amount to pay. Come here, check what it is, and go back to give them how much to pay. And then you will employ people that will do it for them. Here, you can write an honest review of a product or service. This is where people employ people to write honest review of one product or one app. Those reviews we read. Some people take that as a job. You employ people, you pay them to write honest review for you, and you will know how to improve your product. There are other job tasks there. Mobile application, whether you're using Android or iPhone, you can tell people to download it, to install, to review. Just give them different tasks. Look at the forum task, the survey task, and a lot like that. So don't snooze. Try to go to nairaworkers.com so that you would at least earn 1,000 naira or more daily. It depends on how fast you decide to work. This is a job that you can do. You can tell yourself, I want to use 5 hours. I want to dedicate 5 hours to doing this today. And you may be able to earn even over 1,000 naira. All these, auntie, please, I need 500 naira to buy a recharge card. It will not be there anymore. You understand? Share it with people. Share this particular video with people, so that those people that beg you for this or that, they can be able to take care of themselves. They can do simple tasks to take care of themselves. And the beauty of this platform is, even when you do that task and you get the money, you can use it to hire random workers to work for even you yourself. You get what I'm saying? So if you need more videos like this, please check my description. Look at my dashboard. I have 379 naira 20 kobo. You see, that is because I've completed some tasks, like that. and I had a bonus. I had a 500 naira bonus because I also followed somebody's link. If I didn't follow the link, I won't have that 500 naira bonus. So check the description box, pick the first link in the description box. There are other links in the description box for other tutorial videos, even YouTube tutorial videos. And if you want business ideas and side hustles, please click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video before you opt out of this channel.